In an e-commerce store, the most important settings are currency, payment, and tax. In this video, we'll learn how to configure all of these in StoreEngine. Let's start from the StoreEngine dashboard. First, go to Settings, then click on General, and we'll begin with the currency settings. From the currency options, you can change your store's currency, which will be displayed across the entire site. StoreEngine includes most global currency symbols. Just select the one that applies to your store. Set the currency position. Most stores prefer it on the left. You can also configure the thousand separator, decimal separator, and the number of decimal places. Make sure your store address is up to date to align with currency and tax settings. Select your store's country and type in the full address. Click the Save button to apply the changes. Now let's move on to the payment settings. Click on the Payment Methods tab. Here you'll see the default payment options: cash on delivery, COD, bank transfer, and check payments. You can keep whichever methods suit your store. Each method also has a settings button where you can customize the content. For example, update payment instructions for COD, or add your bank details for bank transfer. And likewise for check payment. To expand your payment options, you can enable additional add-ons. Let's enable PayPal and Stripe. Then return to the Payment Methods tab. Now you'll see two new methods added. In the PayPal settings, you can connect your PayPal account by entering your client ID and client secret. If your store is still in testing mode, you can enable sandbox mode to test everything before going live. Stripe configuration works similarly, but we'll skip that for now. Click Save to apply your payment settings. Now, let's configure tax settings. Go to the Product tab and enable the Tax Calculation toggle. This will add a new tax tab to your dashboard. Now it's time to set it up. First, decide if your product prices are tax inclusive or tax exclusive. Enable rounding if needed. Configure how tax details will appear during checkout. Next, add your store tax rate. Select your target country, enter the tax rate in percentage, give it a title, and set the priority, which determines the order in which taxes are calculated. Click Save Settings to finish. Now let's preview how the checkout process looks for a customer in a store with tax enabled. Everything we just set up is essential, right? Now you're fully capable of configuring currency, payments, and tax in your StoreEngine store. We're always here to train you the right way. No guesswork, just clarity. So make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest tutorials. Thank you for watching.